Okay, I'm quickly going to go through guided practice 9, 10, and 11. I'm going to go very fast through these because you've presumably already done them and you're really just looking for the answer. So, x squared plus 3x plus 2 divided by x squared plus 7x plus 10. You can see as you factor the top that you're going to get x plus 2 times x plus 1. And on the bottom, if you factor, you're going to get x plus 2 and x plus 5. This immediately tells you of excluded values of minus 2 and minus 5. And as you finish the problem, you'll see that x plus 2 and x plus 2 cancel out, and you end up with x plus 1 over x plus 5 with excluded values of negative 2 and negative 5. Let's look at guided practice number 10. We have y squared minus 64 divided by y squared minus 16y plus 64. The top, if you factor, you can see right away it's difference of two squares, y minus 8, y plus 8. And on the bottom, you can see it's a perfect square trinomial, so y minus 8 times y minus 8. You can see that the excluded values, or actually there's only one this time, because it's 8 here and 8 here, so it's just the 1. And then if you finish, you can cancel y minus 8 over y minus 8. And you end up with y plus 8 over y minus 8 as your answer. Guided practice 11 has 5 plus 4z minus z squared divided by z squared minus 3z minus 10. Now the bottom is fine to factor, but the top we have to kind of get in some shape to factor because 1, it's not a descending degree, and 2, you have a negative z squared. So I'm going to do two things. I'm going to factor out a negative 1, and I'm going to reverse the order. When I factor out a negative 1, negative z squared is going to become positive. The positive 4z is going to become negative, and the positive 5 is going to become negative. I'm going to leave the bottom as is. And then I'm going to try to factor both, leaving the negative out front so I don't forget it. I can see that this is minus 5 plus 1. On the bottom, I can see that this is going to be z minus 5, z plus 2. So my excluded values, I realize this is a bit messy, but my excluded values are going to be negative 2 and positive 5. And my answer is going to be, after I cancel out the two z minus 5s, negative out in front, z plus 1 over z plus 2. All right. That is the end of the 3 guided practice. Again, if you have made a mistake, just reverse and go through the video again.